You spent weeks building the product. You designed the perfect PDF, set up the checkout link, and waited for the notification, but the silence is loud. Now you're starting to think the product is the problem. But the truth is, you weren't taught the most important rule of the digital shelf. No one tells you that build it and they will come is a lie. In the beginning, creation feels like the work. It feels productive to tweak fonts and edit chapters. But while you were perfecting the product, you forgot to build the path that leads people to it. You're sitting in a beautiful store on a back road that isn't on the map. It's not that people don't want what you made, it's that they don't even know the store exists. It's not a product failure. It's a sequence failure. We've been taught to create first and market later. But in a digital world, marketing isn't what you do after you're finished. Marketing is the process of earning the right to be noticed while you're still building. If you have no sales, you don't have a bad product. You have a visibility gap. Because you can't iterate on a product that no one has seen. Step 1, the 70/20/10 rule. Stop spending 100% of your time inside your product. Shift to 70% value-based content, 20% building in public, and only 10% direct selling. This builds a bridge before you ask people to cross it. Step 2, micro exposure. Stop waiting for the big launch. Start sharing small wins, snippets, or the why behind your product daily. This uses the mere exposure effect to make your product feel familiar before it's even bought. Step 3, data over drama. If 100 people see your link and 0 buy, fix the sales page. If 0 people see your link, stop touching the sales page and go find an audience. This stops you from fixing things that aren't actually broken. When you fix the order of operations, the pressure leaves the room. You stop wondering if you're good enough to be an entrepreneur and start looking at the map. Instead of shouting into the void, you're just turning on the lights. One person sees it. Then 10. Then the data starts to tell you exactly what to do next. Work on your visibility as hard as you worked on your product. This is the part no one really explains, the quiet part of the process. I put a simple breakdown of how to bridge this visibility gap in the pinned comment. It might be the missing piece you've been looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more.